Alright, so today we find ourselves in Minneapolis, Minnesota. And today we begin another trip of many high points, hopefully, starting with the highest point in the state of Iowa, Hawkeye Point. I'm actually kind of looking forward to this one just because of the stuff that they have there. I think the signs to all the other high points is kind of cool, and I'm kind of really looking forward to seeing it in person. That's where we're headed now. We're on another trip for high points, and I swapped out my friend for another friend. Say hi, Zach.
What do you mean? I was always here.
Oh yeah, my bad. So we are at a hotel in Minneapolis. We're fixing to head that way. It's about a 3-hour drive, so I mean, you know, as usual with these high points, I can't really complain. There's gonna be a lot of driving this trip, so this is kind of just the warm-up drive. But all right, we'll see you when we get there. Made it. All right, and here we are at Hawkeye Point, the highest point in the state of Iowa.
You can tell because you can see all of Iowa from here.
Pretty much, yeah. It's very open. I mean, we just crossed into Iowa. It's a very little northern point. This is pretty cool. I really like all the signs and everything, and all that. And there's the little stone marker there.
I like that.
1,670 feet. This is definitely the stinkiest high point I've been to so far, with all of the farm aspects and everything. All right, this puts me officially 22 down, 28 more to go. As far as like drive-up high points go, this one might be the best one I've been to, just because of how much they've embraced their like spot as the high point. This is super cool. I really like this. Signs to all the other high points.
That's pretty cool.
I really like that.
Do other high points do that?
Mount McKinley, Denali, is 2,551 miles from here. No, this is the only one that has done that. This is so cool. So we got Eagle Mountain coming up. Timms Hill, Wisconsin. Another one we're going to, the next one actually. And then this one, Mount Arvin, Michigan.
My favorite state.
Very cool. All right, so that was Hawkeye Point, the highest point in the state of Iowa. Pretty good. I mean, it kind of lived up to everything I hoped for. The signs to the other high points are just super cool. So Zach, your first high point, what do you what's your
first high point?
Really? Which one have you been to?
I've been to Florida.
You've been to Britton Hill?
Yeah.
When?
I don't remember. It was a while. I was
Well,
young.
there we go. Well, what do you think?
It's pretty good. It's like Florida. It's pretty flat.
Yeah,
Except for all those hills over there, you know.
you can see pretty far, I'll give it that. You know, the lack of trees gives you some good views.
I also think I've been to the Tennessee High Point.
That's what you want to call them. You have?
For sure.
Zach's a secret high point
That's like 2. This is 3.
So
I'm
3.
gonna beat you though.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, TFT challenge accepted. Zach says he's gonna beat me at high pointing. I got a little bit of a head start, but we'll see what happens. So wait, how does keychain work?
You put $1 in and lose $1.
That's how it works?
Yeah.
All right, well, that's gonna do it for this video. We have like 3 more for the trip. So this is just the beginning. It's cool to be 22 done, I gotta admit. I will check y'all in at the next one. Got a lot of miles to drive in between here and now, but we're going to be doing some other things in between. So, but that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Check you out in the next video.